Deep beneath the waves, a sound echoes through the dark, slow, rhythmic, lonely. It travels for miles, but no one ever answers. Somewhere in the vastness of the Pacific, a whale sings, at a frequency no other whale can hear. This is the story of the loneliest whale in the world, the one scientists call 52 Hertz. The story began not with a whale watcher, but with the Cold War. In 1989, American naval hydrophones, underwater microphones built to track submarines, picked up something strange. It wasn't a machine. It wasn't an explosion. It was a voice, a deep, mournful sound that rose and fell, steady, rhythmic, alive. But it was unlike any known whale call. It resonated at 52 Hertz, far higher than the blue whale's 10 to 40 Hertz range, or the fin whale's 20. Year after year, the same lonely signal returned. The whale was moving, sometimes north, sometimes south, but always alone. Other whales travel in pods. They communicate, sing, hunt together. But this one, it wandered the oceans, unheard. Scientists began to wonder, was it malformed? Was it a hybrid? A cross between two species, singing in a voice neither could understand? Or was it something else entirely? The ocean's own mystery, a melody meant for no one. Over time, the 52 Hertz whale became more than a scientific curiosity. It became a symbol of isolation, of the voice that goes unheard. Artists, poets, and filmmakers began calling it the loneliest whale on Earth. They saw in it something deeply human, the feeling of reaching out and finding no one there. But maybe the story isn't so simple, because to call it lonely assumes it's looking for someone. Scientists at the U.S. Navy's Pacific Marine Environmental Lab tracked the 52 Hertz signal for decades. They learned that this whale migrates like others do, north in summer, south in winter, covering thousands of miles each year. So it's healthy, strong, persistent. The only difference is its voice. And that's when some began to wonder, maybe it's not lonely at all. Maybe it's just unique, a creature that sings in a language no one else can yet understand. Because we do this too, don't we? We send out signals, words, ideas, emotions, hoping someone will hear us. Sometimes we feel unheard, unseen. And like that whale, we start to believe we're alone in our frequency. But maybe what we call loneliness is just the space between two songs waiting to find harmony. Somewhere, out there in the deep, a single voice still sings, not in sorrow, but in persistence. A sound that began as a mystery became a mirror for all of us, reminding us that even the quietest call can echo across the world. Maybe the 52 Hertz whale isn't lonely at all. Maybe it's just behind the obvious. Thanks for watching Behind the Obvious. Until next time, stay curious.